everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanya and today's project is super cute because I love ladybugs as well. So I love unicorns and now you learned that I love ladybugs, and for all you ladybug and unicorn lovers out there, check out my felt projects. It's a very simple project and it's super cute. Let me show you. Ta-da! And there's a zipper at the back, so you can put stuff inside. So it's a pouch and it's hand sewn, so another hand sewn project. And if you guys want to use a sewing machine, you can always go ahead. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a really easy and simple project, and you can always check out my description box where I actually got the stuff, or if you have any questions you can always drop me an email or DM my Instagram account. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. And until my next video, see you guys soon. Bye.